What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm giving you a quick review of the Leonardo AI video generator, what it's good at, what it struggles with, and whether it's worth using for your projects. Leonardo AI's video generator is designed to turn prompts into visual motion content. The goal is to make creating generated video much easier than traditional editing or animation tools. Right away, what stands out is how simple it is to get started. You type a detailed prompt describing the scene, action, camera movement, and style, and Leonardo takes care of the rest. This makes it really approachable for creators who don't want to learn complicated software. The quality of the generated clips can be impressive, especially for short loopable scenes or atmospheric backgrounds. You can get things like moving landscapes, simple animated sequences, or stylized visuals that work perfectly as B-roll, intro clips, or artistic overlays. One strength of Leonardo's video generator is how it handles visual style and mood. You can guide it towards cinematic, cartoon, 3D, abstract, or even surreal looks just by tweaking your prompt. If you like experimenting with visuals and creative concepts, that freedom is a big plus. That said, it's important to set expectations. The video generator isn't the same as full motion footage shot on a camera, and there are limitations. Complex scenes with multiple characters, detailed animation, or realistic motion still challenge the tool. In some cases, the motion can feel a bit unnatural or looped, and the visual fidelity isn't always consistent. Another point to consider is render time and cost. Depending on the platform model you're using and the resolution you choose, generating high-quality outputs can take a while and use more credits or subscription limits. For casual use, that's usually fine, but for heavy production needs, it's something to keep in mind. Overall, Leonardo AI's video generator is a solid tool for creative and experimental video content, especially if you're looking to generate unique visuals, stylistic B-roll, or concept pieces. It isn't a full replacement for professional video production yet, but it's worth exploring if you want AI-assisted visuals without the steep learning curve. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.